What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install MongoDB to your computer, as well as the compass as well as the shell. So let's get into it. Open up your Google browser and click the link in the description below where you will be directly coming to this page. So next up, click you're gonna check the version as the current version as well as the platform and the packages. Click download, and there we go, it's downloading. And there we go, it's downloaded. Double click on it and start the setup. And there we go, in the Windows install has started. Click next, and after reading this you may click accept and then click next. Click complete, and I'm not recommending in changing these things, but if you need change you can change it. And now for now I'm not gonna change. Click next. Make sure that the tick is here because it's not MongoDB Compass won't be installing, it should be installed manually. And now it's clicked, so click next and then click install. Okay. And there we go, you may come across that kind of a screen, and it's gonna start into services. And there we go, the MongoDB Compass has been installed. Click finish. Next up we're gonna install the shell. Now you can click the second link in the description below and come to this site where we're gonna download the shell. So give the latest and your platform and package as MSI, then click download, and the installer gonna download like in 3 seconds or 4. And there we go, it's downloaded. Now double click on it and open, and it's gonna go through the setup wizard and then click next. I'm gonna keep it here. Click next, click install, and there we go, it's installing. Then click finish. So if you need to check if it's installed correctly or not, go to cmd and then you're gonna type mongo sh, and there we go. We are using mongo 8.06 and the mongo sh, the mongo shell is 2.4.2. So that means that we have installed it correctly and we have set up it correctly. So first of all, you're gonna check the compass is working. Compass is working all right, and also you can check the services if to check if the MongoDB service is running or not. And there we go, Mongo server is running and healthy. So that means that we are okay to create a connection. So I'm gonna click add new connection, uh, create this localhost, and you can give a name. Oh, you can try to connect. There we go, it's connected with all the configurations. So that's it guys, make sure to like, subscribe and share. See you guys from another video.